Grappling with the influx of illegal immigrants, the Finland parliament on Friday passed a bill granting border guards the power to block asylum seekers crossing the Russian border. The decision came after more than 1,300 people arrived in the country, forcing Finland to close its border. Additionally, Helsinki accused Moscow of weaponizing migration by encouraging scores of migrants from countries such as Syria and Somalia to cross the border. Finland believes that Russia is forcing migrants into the country in retaliation to Helsinki joining NATO, the military alliance that backs Ukraine against Russia's invasion. However, the claims has been denied by the Kremlin. Since Moscow's extensive invasion of Ukraine, relations between Finland and Russia, sharing a 830-mile border, have sharply declined. Late last year, Finland closed all land borders crossing with Russia, accusing it of weaponizing migration. Russian officials have called these accusations unsubstantiated. Finland and Russia have complicated past and have fought several wars throughout the history. After Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022, Finland broke decades of military non-alignment to join NATO last year, a move that Moscow warned would be met with countermeasures. Maintaining that this is a strong message to Russia, Finland PM Petteri Orpo said that the bill is vital to stop future arrivals from Russia. Nevertheless, the law is at odds with Finland's international human rights commitments. After the votes in the parliament, PM Orpo stated that the thumping victory for the bill indicates that the country cares for its security and the security of the European Union border. Finland's move is similar to the EU member nations, Poland and Lithuania, which also closed the borders with Russia and its allies, Belarus, making it difficult for the illegal immigrants to cross the border. Notably, the previous summer, over 1,300 asylum seekers crossed from Russia to Finland. Releasing a statement minutes after the bill was passed in the parliament, the Finnish border guard stated that one person has crossed the border illegally on Thursday. When caught by a border guard, the person applied for asylum.